Alright, so we are going to draw an orange. What's the first letter of an orange?
O.
Good. O is for orange. Alright, so can you get your pen, your orange pen? Let's start. Alright, so from the center here we have to draw a big orange. You have to start like this. Make a circle, a big circle. A big circle. Be careful, gently, so that you get it right. Big circle.
A big circle.
Ooh. Alright, so what we are going to do next now is from the top here, let's get our brown. From here, from the top, at the top, draw off a line that will go like this. Good. And let's use the black pen and then draw a leaf.
No, wait, so don't start yet. I did not get mine.
Yeah, draw.
Don't start yet. You
Oh.
can start now.
Okay, yeah, draw a leaf, make it big enough. Big leaf. Awesome. And draw a thin line in between it. And then just give it off some lines at the middle to show the leaf.
I want to do a one.
Are you done? Yeah, true. Go ahead.
I want to do a more.
Yeah. Awesome. So this is our orange. Wow, the orange is looking nice. Can we go ahead and color the orange? It's perfect. Wow, somebody did a wonderful drawing of the orange.
Yeah.
And it's so perfect.
But it's messy when you do it.
Yeah, your hand can be messy. Wow,
Is your hand messy?
Yeah, my hand is also messy.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, do you love our orange?
Yeah, sometimes you get messy.
It's awesome. Friends at home, I hope you're able to join us in this video and also draw a very wonderful and delicious and sweet orange. Alright, Summer, are you ready to write the first letter of an orange? Yeah, take up your
green.
You want to use the green to write? Okay.
Let's start for it.
Then you're going to write, just write anywhere here.
Like a circle.
Yeah, O is for orange. So write.
A circle.
Yeah, go ahead and write. Wow, O for orange. Okay. This is wonderful. Wow, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. Summer, what do you say?
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to our channel and please always keep watching our video and see you in our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.